Hey guys, this is Andrew Keene from KeenOnTheMarket.com. This is your S&P 500 daily recap for February 13th, 2012. What do we see right here? What color is that bar? It's green. That means positive. Now, in February, as we look to the first day in February, we've had, count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bullish days, 1 bearish day. Maybe on Friday we got a little bit of a shakeout. Shook some of the weak hands out until that 1330 level that I've been talking about has been very, very important. However, we did not get through the high of Thursday. We got there by about 2 ticks, and that was in the Globex session. I talked to my CMT, who is a contributor for KeenOnTheMarket.com. You can follow him on Twitter, AlexKOTM. And he said we usually sell off into President's Day, but we have been so strong. He also looks at cycle days. He looks at a lot of indicators that I don't look at. And in my opinion, we're going higher. There's no reason to fade this market, just like Apple. Can't fade it. You can't make money being short right here. I'm only taking on longs. I took some shorts off today. I was short Visa. It was down. Took it off. So if we go into the monthly chart and we look at this target that I talk about, 1273 half. That's the target. That's where I think we can get to. Barron's came out with an article that said Dow 15,000. Is it possible? Yeah, it's possible. We're seeing Greek bailout helping. The VIX got crushed again today. I will not put on a short position almost in anything until I see the VIX above 20. The VIX being this low indicates a bullish market. Let's look at the 5-minute chart for your daily recap for today. We opened at 1348 half, and then we got close to the high of the day at 1350. This bar came in at, so today we talk about 80% of the day as the high or low is established within the first hour, and we actually didn't get it today. So 80% of the time, that means 20% it doesn't. Today is one of those days it did not. We get a sell-off into the morning, and we've looked at this every single day. You know, we want to go back and looked at it on Friday. Looks very similar. Look at the opening right here and the opening here. Almost identical. Sell-off. On Friday, we had the low at 930. Today, low 945. That's pretty remarkable how it works. Then, like I talked about, we rally into the close of Europe, which is at 1030. So we rally out here. Once Europe closed, boom. Looks like it's almost off to the races. You know, I didn't do much today. We only traded in a, looks like about an 8-point range, very tight trading range. It's part of the reason the VIX is so low, because the intraday movements are so small. Low of the day, 1342.75. We had a fib level 0.786 there. I talk about 1343 being important. I also talk about 1333 being important. I flagged both of those, and they've both been huge. So we got a little sell-off in the morning, just like the last 3 days, sell-off in the morning, rally all day, high of the day, 1350.75, trap some people in there. A lot of people put stops 2 ticks above the high of the opening or the high of the first hour. Some people buy 2 ticks above the high of the opening. If you bought the high there, you would have got you would have been in it and you would have got stopped out. A lot of people probably got stopped out here. This was floor resistance 3. If this was a bear bar, I actually would have taken a short right here with a stop a point above here. If you want all the key levels for the S&P 500 futures, you have to go to KeenOnTheMarket.com, support, resistance, moving averages, fib zones. This is the best way I like to trade. We have more important levels than any other site out there. We are going to also start rolling out premium services starting next week. This subscription will be the 3 subscriptions we're going to be selling is the trade of the week. This will be the 2 highest probability trades for the week. And this will be comprised by me. You will get, if you pay for the service, you will get an email. So for the trades of the week, you'll be getting an email. You will have a private login with a password that you can log into, or we can send a text message for the trade of the week. These are the highest probability trades that I will be putting on with my own money. Nothing is sim account. Everything is real dollars. I will be talking about the levels I get in, what levels I'm looking to get out. I can't tell anybody how to invest their own money, just how I invest mine. Also, we'll be selling Unusual Option Activity Report. Right now, the Unusual Option Activity Report will be the 5 biggest trades of the day that I usually put on about 1, if not 2 of the 5. And cheap and rich volatilities versus 30-day historical, top trades against open interest, and we will be looking to add more features. And if you want to shoot me an email at andrew@keenonthemarket.com, give me any suggestions or ideas of things you would like to see. We might do an earnings thing. We will incorporate that as well. The last thing we will do with the S&P 500 futures. The levels that we provide will be a premium service. We will still provide a lot of services on the website, but this will be premium services with the levels and this recap. Have a great night, guys. See you tomorrow.